Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to manage employee time off policies in Gusto. Vacation days, sick leave, PTOs, keeping track of it all can be a headache. Luckily, Gusto lets you set up and manage time off policies for your team in a clear, organized way. Now here's how to get it done. Step 1, go to the time off section. From your Gusto dashboard, you want to head over to the time off tab in the main menu. Now this is where you'll manage policies, approvals, and track balances. Step 2, set up a time off policy. Now you want to click add a time off policy. You'll be asked to choose the type of policy you're setting up. It could be paid time off, vacation, sick leave, or it could be customs for anything else like mental health days or volunteer time. Give the policy a name like standard PTO and just continue. Step 3, customize the policy settings. Next, configure how the time off works. Now, it could be accrual method. You want to choose whether time is accrued per paycheck, monthly, or given all at once, front loaded. You could also set the accrual rate, how many hours or days per year the employee earns. You can also select carryover rules. Now here you can decide if unused time rolls over into the next year. Maximum balance, you can set a cap on how much time can be accrued. You can also set waiting period, so you can set a delay before new employees start accruing time off. And these settings help you to match the policy to your company's rules or local laws. Step 4, assign the policy to employees. Now once the policy is created, you can assign it to individuals or to multiple employees at once. Gusto will begin tracking accruals automatically based on the start dates and schedule. Step 5, monitor and approve requests. Now, employees can submit time off requests directly through their Gusto account. You will receive a notification and can approve or deny with one click. Gusto keeps track of balances and updates payrolls accordingly. Step 6, edit or remove policies anytime. Now, do you need to change the rules later on? No problem. Go back into the policy, make your adjustments, and Gusto will apply them going forward without affecting past records. Managing time off shouldn't be a manual spreadsheet nightmare. With Gusto, everything's automated, tracked, and easy to manage, so your team can take the breaks they deserve. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. I hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.